Come on, Micah, do it. Crawl. You just did it. Come on, you can do it. Okay, come to mommy. Come to mommy then. Come to mommy. Oh, look at you. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come here. Show daddy. Come to mommy. Oh. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Oh. Look at you. You're crawling. You're doing it. You're army crawling. Come here. Oh my gosh. Come here. Oh, and you're farting. Come here. Come here. Micah? Oh, you're going to go over there. Oh my gosh. Today is September. I think today is September 10th, I think. The first day and our baby is crawling all over the mat, going into toys. Time to baby-proof the house. Looking at his toys, getting into his bin. Let's see. Micah, over here. Come here. Come here, Micah. 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 Come here. No. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Come here. No, don't go back to the bin. Micah. Come here. Micah. I need to bring the bin over here. Micah. Oh, he's going to go for something else. He's doing it. He's crawling. Our baby's moving around with his toes. He's figured it out if I push off with my toes. And farting machine. Okay. He's going to turn around. Let's see if he goes for a different toy. Look at that. There he goes. Our little scooter. Come to mommy. Come here. Oh my goodness, he's crawling. It's official. Our baby is crawling. 7.5 months in and he is our crawler. Yay. Daddy will be so proud. Micah, we love you.